Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am with a new lecture. This lecture is number 4 and the topic is take off the quantities of material for a single or boundary wall as per drawing. Now in the beginning we take these two drawings and talk about these two drawings. This is the section of the wall, boundary wall or the single wall, and this is the whole plan of this wall. If we watch it on the top view, we get this type of things. Now from section we can learn that this is the block masonry here, and from here to here we are getting this structure. Its height is 10 feet. After this structure we can see here the 1 inch DPC. This is the 1 inch DPC, and this is called as damper force. Below this also the block masonry from here to here. You can see that this portion is in two portions. Below plinth level, this is our plinth level, and this is the ground level, and its portion above ground level is 2 feet and below ground level is 2 feet. That is, half one is the above the ground level and half is the below the ground level. And the offsets are 3 inches and 3 inches, so that if this wall is 6 inches from here, then this block masonry will be 12 inches. 6 inches, 3 inches and 3 inches we add, we are getting the 12 inches from here to here. And this is the CC 136. You can see here CC 136. This is the CC 136. No, this is the CC 124. CC 124, plain concrete CC 124. Its depth is 12 inches and its breadth is 2 feet. And this is the CC 148 from here to here, and the breadth is 3 feet and the depth of this item is 9 inches. Now come to the plan. This is the wall from here to here. This is 10 feet long. That is from here to here. And we are getting this 10 feet here. Below this wall, this structure you can see here is here. These offsets are 3 inches, so these offsets are 3 inches and 3 inches from here to here, and here to here, and here to here. 3 inches offsets. 3 inches. After this structure, we construct this one. We will calculate this one, and this is the 6 inch, and this is the 6 inch offset, and you can this dotted line from here to here. This is the dotted line, in red color. The offsets are 6 inches. This one 6 inches. This is the 6 inches. And this is 6 inches, and this is 6 inches from here to here. You can see that this is the 6 inches. Below this is a CC 148. This is the CC 148. Last boundary wall, coloring in black color, and the offsets are 6 inches. This is the 6 inches from here, 6 inches from here, 6 inches from here, and 6 inches from here. We can take these offset from here, 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 and here, 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 and from here. You can see that these all are the offsets which are showing here: 3 inches, 3 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, and this 6 inches, 6 inches. You can see that these two structures are firm line and these two structures are showing in the dotted line, because these two structures, this one and this one, is the below ground level, so are in dotted, and this portion and this portion is above the ground level are in firm lines here and here. You can see that. Now we start the take of the quantities. First of the item will be the excavation for this construction of the single wall. The length will be from plan, and this 10 feet and all these offsets from here to here and here to here, you can add and get the length. We can see here these offsets from here to here is 1 foot 3 inches, and from here to here 1 foot 3 inches, and this 10 foot length of the wall. So all add up, we are getting the length 10 plus 2 foot 6 inches, and we are getting the 12 feet 6 inches. The length is 12 feet 6 inches. The breadth is 3 feet from here to here. Add all these offsets and get this 3 feet, no matter. For depth, we will take the section, and this is the ground level. From this ground level to this, the length is, we can measure 2 feet and 12 inches, that is 1 foot, and 2 and 1 3, and 3 feet 9 inches. The total depth is 3 feet 9 inches. The next item is CC148. After excavation, we place CC148 9-inch thick. We are adding thickness here, and the length will be the same as used in excavation, calculated in the excavation 12 feet 6 inches. The breadth is same as used in excavation from here to here, and the depth is, this is the depth of the CC148. This is 9 inches, so the depth is 9 inches, and multiply them, we are getting 28.125 CFT. The next item is CC124, and this is the CC124 here. You can see here CC124. This is the item number 1. The length is 11 feet 6 inches. How? 10 feet and plus 1 foot 6 inches. From here to here, you can see here to here. This is the 11 feet 6 inches. This is the 9 inch. This is the 9 inch, and this is the 10 feet. We add them, we are getting the 11 feet 6 inches. And the breadth is 2 feet 6 inches. I write it here wrong. This is the 6 inches. And the breadth and the depth is from here to here is the 12 inches. So 1 foot, and we are taking here the 10 feet. Multiply them, we are getting this. The next item is the block masonry below the ground level. Block masonry, B oblique M means block masonry. Below ground level means from this to this. This is the block masonry which we are doing below ground level. and the length is 10 feet 6 inches. Length 10 feet 6 inches, and from here to here, you can see here. This is the 10 feet 6 inches, and the breadth is 1 foot, and the depth is 2 feet. This is the 2 feet, and the breadth is, this is 1 foot from here to here. You can see that 1 foot. Multiply them, we are getting the result 21 CFT. Total quantity is 21 CFT. The next item is the block masonry above the ground level. This portion. The length will be the same as in the item number 4. Breadth will be same in item number 4. Depth is from here 2 feet. So 2 feet, and multiply them, we are getting 21 CFT. The sixth item is 1 inch DPC, the 1 inch damper force. This is, and this item will be below the wall, and the length of the wall is 10 feet, so the DPC length is 10 feet. The thickness of the wall is 0 feet 6 inches, so the breadth of the DPC is 0 feet and 6 inches. And depth is nil, because this is the 1 inch thick, and 5 square feet total quantity. The next item is the block masonry in superstructure. This is the superstructure from here to here. You can see that. Here, this is the item, block masonry in superstructure. This is the one item, and the length is the length of the wall from here to here, and the breadth is 0 feet 6 inches. You can also get this item from here to here. This is the 0 feet 6 inches breadth, and the height is 10 feet. This is the height of the wall is 10 feet, and multiply them 50 CFT. Now this is the abstract quantities. We calculated from 1 to 7 item, excavation CC148. We put it here and write a abstract quantity sheet. This is called abstract of quantity, and the item number 1 was the excavation. Item is excavation, and the quantity was 140.63. CC148 28.125. Third item was CC124 23 CFT. Fourth item block masonry below ground level. Fifth item above ground level, and we are writing here the quantities. 1 inch thick DPC, 5 square feet. Block masonry in superstructure, this is the 50 CFT. Now this is the assignment. The section and plan is same which we have deal in the lecture, but the dimensions are little bit changed. The offset here is 8 inches, and here is 9 inches, and here is 10 inches. The length of the wall is same 10 feet. The offsets are 10 inches, 9 inches, and 8 inches. Similarly, these offsets I have changed. This is the 8 inches, this is the 9 inches, this is the 10 inches, this is the thickness of the wall 6 inches as it is, and you can see that the same 10 inches, 9 inches, and 8 inches offsets are here. Now this is the section of the wall. The wall thickness is 6 inches from here to here. These offsets are 10 inches, 10 inches. These offsets are 9 inches and 9 inches. These offsets are 8 inches and 8 inches. And I have changed also the depth. This depth was 2 feet, now this depth is 2 feet 6 inches. This depth was in previous case which we use in learning was 2 feet, now here is a 3 feet 6 inches. The depth is 1 foot 9 inches. And this depth was there 9 inches, now here is the 10 inches. Hope you will be learned from this lecture. I will be wait for the comments. If you want to any query, please comment. I will try my best to answer you in the comment section. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.